Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to enable dark mode without Windows activation in Windows 11. Type Regedit in Windows search bar, click Regedit. Click and expand H key current user, click and expand software, click and expand Microsoft, click and expand Windows. Click and expand current version, click and expand themes, click personalize. Create new DWord 32-bit value named as apps use light theme, change value data to 0. Create new DWord 32-bit value named as system uses light theme, change value data to 0. Close and restart system. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.